What's up, guys? It's your boy coming back with another video. Man, I have seen it all. This is some unedited nonsense. So, in Ohio, where I happen to be, I think this was last week in the snowstorm, a plow truck decided to shoot snow, ice, and slush 20 to 40 feet the wrong direction, damaging cars, causing accidents. It was just like, there's no way you didn't realize this. Like, no way you're not driving, looking at the mirror and seeing snow go the wrong way. Check this out. You will not believe what you're about to see.